This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea grow a garden. First, select an ideal spot in your garden. Tea plants thrive in partial shade, especially in warmer climates, and need well-draining soil. Aim for a soil pH between 5.5 and 6.5. This acidic environment is crucial for healthy tea plant development. Protecting young plants from harsh conditions will give them a strong start. Once your site is ready, it's time to plant. If using seeds, sow them about 1/2 inch deep. For seedlings, space them approximately 3 feet apart to allow for mature growth. Enriching your soil with compost or other organic matter will greatly benefit drainage and nutrient availability. After planting, water thoroughly to help establish the roots, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist. Ongoing care is key to a thriving tea garden. Fertilize your plants every 2 to 3 months using a fertilizer formulated for acid-loving plants. Regular pruning, especially after harvesting, promotes new flushes of leaves, which are what you'll harvest for tea. Keep an eye out for common garden pests and diseases and address them quickly to maintain plant health and vigor. The exciting part is harvesting. For the best tea, pick the top 2 leaves and the unopened bud from each new shoot. This is often called the flush. Harvest in the morning, after any dew has evaporated, to ensure optimal flavor and quality. Once harvested, process your leaves promptly to prevent them from wilting, which is crucial for making delicious homemade tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.